Yo, what's up guys? Remember me? It's me, R Bey. It's been a long time guys. Long time I have not making a video. So guys, you want me to come back? You want me to come back? The old R Bey should come back. So guys, let's bring earthquake one more time. Let's bring earthquake one more time on social media. Let's bring one more time earthquake in Facebook. So you all guys, if you want me to come back, I want only 10 share. If you complete 10 share, I will know that you guys want me back on social media. So let's do it. Let's share. I want only 10 share and the old R Bey will be back. You remember me, right guys? It's me, R Bey, the old and the old version of R Bey song. The R Bey cover song will be back. So guys, let's do it one more time. It's me, R Bey. Salute.